How to calculate the present value of annuity payments. Are you curious about how to determine the present value of annuity payments? This is a key aspect of retirement planning that can help you understand your future finances. Let's break down the process in a simple way. First, let's clarify what an annuity is. An annuity consists of a series of equal payments made at regular intervals, like monthly or annually. When we talk about the present value of these payments, we mean how much those future payments are worth in today's dollars. This is important because a dollar received in the future is not worth the same as a dollar today due to inflation and potential investment returns. To calculate the present value, you need to know three key things: the cash flow per period, the interest rate, and the total number of payments. The cash flow is simply the amount of each annuity payment. The interest rate is the discount rate, which you will express as a decimal. The number of periods is how many payments you will receive. Now, there is a formula to help you with this calculation. The standard formula for the present value of an ordinary annuity is present value equals cash flow multiplied by the quantity of 1 minus the quantity of 1 plus the interest rate raised to the power of negative the number of periods, all divided by the interest rate. Let's walk through the steps to calculate this. First, identify your cash flow amount, interest rate, and number of payments. If your interest rate is 5%, convert that to decimal form, which would be 0.05. Next, plug those values into the formula. Calculate the term of 1 plus the interest rate raised to the power of negative the number of periods. Subtract that from 1, and then divide by the interest rate. Finally, multiply that result by your cash flow amount to get the present value. This calculation is particularly useful when planning for retirement. For example, if you expect to receive $1,000 per year 4 or 5 years after you retire, and you anticipate a 5% return on your investments, you can find out how much that income stream is worth today. This helps you decide how much you need to save or how much annuity to purchase. If your payments are made at the beginning of each period, the formula changes slightly. You would multiply the ordinary annuity present value by 1 plus the interest rate. Also, remember that the discount rate should reflect realistic expectations of returns or inflation. To make this process easier, consider using online retirement calculators. These tools allow you to input your payment amount, interest rate, and duration, and they will automatically compute the present value for you. Calculating the present value of annuity payments gives you a clear picture of the lump sum needed today to fund future retirement income. This knowledge is essential for effective financial planning and making informed decisions about your retirement savings.